Do you want ventilated seats for your Tesla Model 3 Gen 1 or Tesla Model Y? Look no further than the Hansshow new ventilated seat covers for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. It automatically turns on and off when it detects somebody sitting in the seat. Again, these are seat covers. You can see it's perforated, and when it's on, it has a fan that is able to pull in air and cools your back and your rear at the same time. So to install this, it takes less than a few minutes. Essentially, it is just a seat cover with ventilation. You just strap it around the headrest, tuck it around the bottom between the waist, tuck it in between the anchor points between the top seat and the bottom seat, then plug it into the 12-volt outlet in your armrest, and that is it. 2 more strap in the front by your knee, and you're done. So if you're looking to cool down for the summer months or even in the winter months on a sunny day, look no further than these seat covers. It comes in different colors to match your interior. Make sure you order this now, limited supply, and use the promo code as well for saving. Catch you all next time.